at Riverside Marina in New Jersey. We got Old Faithful out here since we've got a Grady on the newer transport trailer. And we're picking up this Jeanneau leader. This is really, really cool boat. I really like it so far. They're cleaning it all up from it being in the water. And we're gonna walk around real quick and I'll fill you in on the specifics of this baby. Good morning. It's another new day. And I'm doing my walk around. This Jeanneau Leader 9. I'm just checking it all out. Yeah. Let's see how the customer feels about this. The trailer needs to be washed. But we'll do that after we dunk the boat. So this is how you secure a boat that has no bow eye. Pretty interesting, huh? Nowhere on the front of this boat to pull it up on a trailer. This is why I carry so many different Max tie downs. So did a loop around the cleat. These are axle straps. And then ran the winch back through here to the mount there. This Y strap is actually used for, well, Mack makes it as a spare tire for off-road trucks. That's their spare tire Y strap. And of course it works great in this application where I needed to pass that line right through the cleat, hook it up to the Y, tie it to the bottom of the trailer. So far, it's worked great in keeping this boat from moving around any little bit. And of course, we got the truck. It's gonna be time to get some new tires. Yep, you're all gonna see me at Discount Tire one more time. Let's get back on the road. That wasn't fast. You thought that was fast? No. We gotta put you on a real boat then. Well, it's been a couple of years since I've been here. Well, I'm being facetious.
They're running that bridge tomorrow.
Yeah, I saw that, Dad. I had to go past all the traffic where they get the whole main street blocked off.
I was gonna do a job like that.
What do you think of your new boat?
I love it. It's fast.
It's fast, huh? Okay. We haven't even opened it up yet. love that. My friend Rob has a tiki barge. It's 40 feet long, 16 feet wide, and it's a bar and a DJ booth and everything in between.
Oh, you got the DJ on there too?
Yeah, he's a DJ.
That's where it's at.
Yeah, DJ.
Where's he do that?
Lake Wateree.
Oh, well, on the water rig.
Yep. All right. Talk to me about the James program.
So James, anytime that you're available, let us know on a nice day, and we'll get you up here. You can captain for the day, so that we all and not have to worry about this expensive ass boat.
We'll have it loaded with good looking honeys.
All right. We're tied down. It's a windy day. But the Jeanneau leader definitely is a leader in its class. No doubt. Very impressed by this little boat. Totally screwed that up. We had it perfect. Okay, so this is them nachos. Look at that. This is how it's done. Trash can nachos. That's awesome. Now if we can keep the seagulls off of it, we'll be good.
Yeah, good luck with that, y'all.
We got poop out.
The big shrimp out.
Yeah! So much for the shrimp. That's some nachos there. Look at that. That's like a mountain.
It's brisket.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a great weekend in Charleston. Yeah, buddy.